Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we start our remaining part of chapter 9. Today we start about websites. So what is website? A website is a collection of one or more related pages and they are linked together through a system of hyperlinks. Before this, last time we read about web browsers. What is the meaning of web browser? A web browser is a program used to locate and display web pages. So if I want to search web browsers, so I just write here web and browsers. So you can, I write only one or three words, this will appear. If I click on this, you can see this is also in your book. So we have different web browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Opera, Safari. These are all different web browsers. And what is the meaning of website? Website is used www, which is a collection of one or more related pages. For example, if I want to search a website about like in your book, this is given at Discovery Kids. Okay, so I write here Discovery okay, so you can see this appear here, and this is for games. For okay, you can click any of one of this, so you can see this appear discovery page. And if I click here, you can see, so these all discovery pages for kids. There are different games you can see here, and you can see these further pages are appear, so you can find any type of game. Or you can see from the first page there are some other options like Discovery Kids Plus. So I click here, so this will, you can see this will be appear. Okay, so these are some different games. And here you want, if you want to change the language, this is in Spanish, you change in English. This is already in English, so you can, if you want to translate this will be appear here. So this is discoverykidsplus.com. You can see here there is no gap between these alphabets. When I want to search, then I can give gap, but this address is appear, there is no gap between these alphabets. And now you can see here, this is called web address. And web address, this will be appear like this one, or sometime this is appear like HTTP. This time this is not appear here, but you, when I click here, you can see this appear HTTPS and this one. So this is a web address, either this is in HTTP semicolon and hash, or HTTPS. This time this you can see here HTTPS. Okay, so notice that the S, which is stands for square. Okay, so if you would find such an address on bank website or e-commerce website in which money is involved, or www, so you can see this type of address. The addresses of an educational website is http.oup. For example, if I write here, I just click on back side and http this one, and then double dot and hash, and then write like for education oup.com. and if I want for PK Pakistan, then I write here .pk, and now I search this one. So you can see this is working now. So this website is appear. Now you can see this page is open, and you can know about this logo in your paper. Sometimes this logo is appear. See, this is for Pakistan and Oxford. So you can find your own book, class 5. Every book which is in related to Oxford you can find here. Here you can check schools and textbooks, children books, higher education. Whenever you click any of this, there are further more options are appear. And like you can see here, mathematics, medicines, you can check any of this book from this website. This page which is open when I click on the address, and this page is open, this is called home page. So home page of every website give the information about that site. It has some tabs which give information, like, and it has some pictures which gives you information about the different topics. For example, you can see here this website is appear, and you can book your order here, like different books, story books, English books. So this is from home page. Same if you want to check another website like FunBrain. Okay, so you can click on FunBrain. I click on FunBrain, then these home pages appear, and there are some other books like this one, and different games, reading material, videos, and playgrounds. And here math zone, for example, if I click on math zones, so you can see this page is appear, where you can find books on like different grades, first, second, third, fourth, and suppose I want 5th grade. So I click this and wait a little, so this page will be open. So you can see now, pick your maths grade, which grade you want, like first, second, third, fourth. You can see here like 5th grade, and here in 5th grade there are 201 lessons. These are about fractions, mixed numbers, decimals, algebra, like the different types of information. So you can get any type of information from this website. Here this FunBrain is also for gaming. Okay, like this one, this is all gamings. You can find different types of games, but I think you don't waste your time. So for mathematics, if you want to search information, you can check from here, or for any other topic you can check from this. Okay, now come to next topic. This is about search engines. Okay, what is the meaning of search engines? For example, when you open a website, you can see here here you can search anything. This is whole website, and there are so many things. So whatever you want, they write keyword or author or ISBN or title. You can write anything. Keyword mean only 2-3 words of anything. For example, if I write here computer science, you can see I just write this. There are different options are appear, but I write complete here, class 5, and just enter. Now wait a little, so you can see this different, you can see computer books are open here. So which you want this book, you can open here. You can see Urdu book, and like geographic, advanced, different books all are open here. And these are all computer science book, these are helping book, guiding book, all these are open here. So this is called search engine. This is same like website but actually this is used for searching. So you can write any text or simple a keyword, and you can search the data from this site. Another thing, for example, if you want to search from the Google, okay, this is next is when you open any website, particular website, and inside that website you search like about your books or games. But from the Google you want to search anything, you can find so many things about this. For example, this time I want to search about Abdul Sattar Eidhi and search here. So you can find, like you can see Abdul Sattar Eidhi, there are so many here, welfare organization, this all you can find here. So you can click here any of this and you get information about that person. see when he was ill, and the last stage. See this. So the different pictures of Abdul Sattar Eid is available, and these are different information. So in this way you can get information about a famous person or things, books, games, or any topic which is in your mind. You can search from the search engine or from Google directly. I hope you understand this topic. You can get more information by clicking like this one, up and down. You get more information. So this is all about you can get from the internet, and other things you can also get information. So use your internet for positive purpose, not for negative. Okay, this is up to you. Everything has positive and negative, but this depends on you what you will use. Okay, so always keep in your mind that when you are watching in internet, Allah is also watching you. Okay, so be conscious, only use positive things from the internet, search positive things which increase your knowledge, which increase your IQ level. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this, and next time we will learn about email. So email is also very important, but we learn about this next time. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.